he would like. Unfortunately, his turbo is feeling a little poorly, unfortunately. Now, Dan is only 15 and he's built this tractor himself. He's used the 380, the D-Series 380, one of the most popular engines that is here today. All the Robertson tractors have the 380 in it. He first built it to start pulling when he was 14, but of course COVID came in the way, so he's had to wait a year. He takes a small one as his first pull this year. Boy oh boy does this tractor pull well, but unfortunately he's going to go try and go in a lower gear to see if he can get himself a bit further up, because unfortunately his turbo is definitely on the way out. His cousin's tractor did the same thing at Kelsall. So come on Danny, we wish you well. Come on, keep it rocking and rolling. You'll just see this plenty of smoke, but you'll just see a slight grey plume to it instead of being black, so that's his turbo on the way out, so well done Danny. So you can imagine when he's on song and he's in his higher gear, how much better that tractor goes, but well done to him. He's just so keen and such a lovely lad, you couldn't ask for to meet a nicer family. Justin coming on. Yeah, you mentioned that I always think the same about the lorry engines and all these tractors. Well, Justin decided, why go through all that hassle, cut the little man out, just keep the engine in the lorry. So this is an ERS, the L10 in. So this is a Cummins L. This end, I think we were...